We are currently on a quest to find the best chicken tenders. It's tire to fall off.
Fantastic.
Please don't put that in the bloopers.
I bought a parakeet over there.
Large semi-truck. We are in a current debate.
Do you guys have chicken tenders? Do you guys have chicken tenders?
Whew, wish us luck. Hey everyone, it's Ashley and Jake, and we are here with our friend David. And we are currently trying to find chicken tenders because we're gonna do a chicken tender taste test challenge. So basically, Jake has a low tire and we need to fill it up before we do anything else. However, a large semi-truck just stopped in front of us and we can't get air in the tire.
The driver got out of his truck too.
So, just another day in the life.
Can I have a 3-piece chicken tender?
Okay. Did you want any sauce with it?
Ranch. Two tenders? Secure.
Thanks for choosing Popeyes. Order when you're ready.
Can I have the 3-piece chicken tender, please?
What kind of sauce?
Barbecue.
Tender number 2. Package secured.
Do you guys have chicken tenders? Can I just have the 3 chicken tenders then? Honey mustard.
Tender secured.
Can we have a 3-piece chicken strip? What sauce do you have? Buffalo, please.
Everyone, our question for you is, do you prefer Jimmy John's or Subway?
Subway.
Subway. We are in a current debate about it and we need to know your answer.
Subway.
Tender secured.
Do you guys have chicken tenders?
We do not.
Okay.
Should we get nuggets?
What sauce would you like with that?
Honey.
Honey? Honey mustard or just plain honey?
Just plain old honey.
It is not available right now.
Then we will take the honey mustard.
Okay.
Nuggets secured. A lot of chicken. Hey guys, so we made it back to the bridge and David is off camera right now and he is getting all the chicken prepared. We have no idea which chicken is going on which plate, what time we're gonna receive it, or anything like that.
We have 5 different chicken tenders, all on different plates. Ashley and I are going to eat the same one at the same time and try to guess which fast food restaurant it is from.
Whoever gets the most right wins. What they win, we're not sure of yet, but we'll win something.
Yes.
I don't feel like I do.
You do.
I don't feel like mine's on, but Dave said it was on.
Oh, I got one.
It's on.
What is that?
I know exactly what that is. That breading is just so, like that is just, I know exactly what that is.
It tastes like chicken.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
McDonald's.
No,
you're wrong. It's McDonald's.
No, I'm wrong.
Okay. Oh, this one's heavy. Oh man.
It's crunchy.
It's so dry. Just dry chicken.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Arby's. Nice.
Okay.
High five. Alright. Perfect.
High five. Yes.
I think it was
I'd
Arby's.
never
It was
had
so
it.
dry.
It was just-
wasn't.
No,
it
was
tasted
really-
like it was chicken from a place that doesn't sell chicken.
It was really bad. Why does Ashley not need help like I do? She just stabbed it herself. Are you eating it?
Uh-huh.
Mmm.
I think I know.
Oh baby, that's good.
Feeling by
I've never had chicken better than this, I feel. That might be wrong. And Mom, I'm really sorry if you watch this video. You eat good chicken.
3, 2, 1.
Beefaroo.
Oh!
Yes, I know I am right. I know I am
No!
right. I know that is
Oh,
beefaroo.
that makes me mad now. Do I have it?
Yeah, you have one.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you try.
I'm confident I know where this one is from.
Did you eat it already?
Yeah. That's not good.
Oh, that is cold.
It's cold and it's not good.
Where is the chicken?
Is this real? Is it chicken that you put in front of us? Are we guessing?
Oh, I have one.
Yeah,
I have
You
one.
have one. 2, 1.
Culver's.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that makes sense to me.
Already.
It's cold. I don't like this. Ew, it's slimy.
Oh, I'm dragging it.
No.
Nope. Alright, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1.
Beef.
Popeyes. Number 1 is Popeyes. Number 2 is Culver's. Number 3 is Beefaroo. Number 4 is Arby's. Number 5 is McDonald's.
He got them all right.
It's a clean sweep.
Mm-hmm. Ashley was wrong.
In my defense, I don't have one. I don't have a defense.
Thank you for all my fans who believed in me. I'm really sorry if you're Ashley's fan.
Why are you still eating it?
I just thought it would get better. Is there more chicken?
5 for 5.
5 for 5. Is there more chicken? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good to know. Good to know.
I made a mess of this.
I'm really sorry to all the people that I let down. We're gonna go eat some chicken, and hopefully I'll do better next time.
Peace.
Peace out. You want me to hit play?
I'm the only one. You just closed out of the entire app. Okay, ready? I feel like whoever is holding it should.
I just feel like that's not right.
I didn't know Arby's had chicken.
I always mess up.
Davis, are you kidding me? Are for real? We had. Are you stuck?
What they win, we don't know. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna surrender defeat.
Is your chicken on the table?
Yeah. Alright, I'll get it.
Where's Dave? This is my favorite part.
It still doesn't taste like chicken nugget.
Clean sweep, Jake.
Congrats, Jake.